guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO Lehenga unboxing. Now this was sent to me for review purpose because it's from their new collections. Anyways, without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product actually looks. This is how JOMSO does its packaging. Really good. So they sent it in these kind of transparent plastic. And this is what I received. First, let's see the blouse fabric. It comes in this grey color and has like a sequence detailing all throughout the fabric. And the fabric used here is net, and underneath this they have given a Bangalore silk grey fabric as well. So I think that is going to act like a lining piece. Super good, and the sequence also looks like it's very well made. You will not see any random threads here and there. The finishing is really good, and even the fabric or the net fabric is very soft, not rough at all. So it's a simple sequence blouse fabric. Next, let's see the skirt. This is how it looks. It comes in this grey color, and the fabric here is Georgette. That's what it was written on their website as well. And then throughout the lehenga, there's this silver sequence work going on. Again, the sequence here is different from the top and the bottom because some part of the lehenga has like a floral round sequence, and then there's this crisscross sequence as well. There's this flower or star kind of a detail. And between that there's this grey embroidery work as well. So the design, the sequence, the fabric, the threads used are all very beautiful, very nice. At the bottom of the lehenga has this piping thing going on. I'm not sure what it is called, so it is really going to look good. And they have given satin fabric or a satin lining inside this, so the fabric or the lehenga is going to be very soft on your skin. The pleatings, if you see, there's like a lot of pleatings. Again, it's in a same alignment. The stitching is really good. This is how it looks, and I think this will fit someone up to 44 inches of waist size. So pretty huge. You can see here, it's pretty huge. Next, coming to the dupatta, this is how it looks. It comes in this grey color and has like a silver piping detailing going on. Again, the stitching is really good, and all throughout the body of the dupatta there's this sequence, silver sequence stuck. It's very tiny, very tiny. And what's unique about this dupatta is that they have stuck this feather thing. I'm going to give a very close picture of this. So I am really confused. I don't know whether I like it or not. Maybe I would remove it out. I am not a fan of wearing a feather. So, and about the length, guys, it's pretty long. Coming to comparing the lehenga, what is shown in their website and what I received is almost the same. Even the feather detailing, if you can see, they have shown that, and they have provided it in their dupatta as well, and it's almost the same. The quality of the fabric, the stitching, the sequence work, everything is nice, and the color is also very good. It's very subtle and nice, not very strong or flashy. Of 5. And about the pricing, guys, the original price was around 4,500 rupees, but now the discounted price is just 2290, which I think is worth for the lehenga. Anyways, if you want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can check for this product code. It is 138419. Now if you don't know about their site, then JOMSO is a site where you can get all kind of ethnic wear, starting from salwar kameez, gowns or lehengas, and placing an order is very easy. You can either go to their website jomso.com and place an order, or you can WhatsApp them. I'm going to give the WhatsApp number in my description box, you can check it out. And they do have cash on delivery option. Now if you are out of India and if you want to shop this, then that is possible with an extra shipping charge. They do ship worldwide. Now if you didn't like a product, or if you receive a defect product, you want to return it, then it's super easy. You'll have to mail them within 7 days of receiving the product, and they're going to arrange for a return. So it is super easy. Hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.